For making sweet corn soup, we need sweet corn, veggies of your choice, corn flour and vinegar. First of all, we will take a blender and add the sweet corns in it. Add little bit of water and grind the sweet corn coarsely. Here we don't need a paste. Take a pan and add butter in it. Let it melt. Now add the chopped ginger and garlic. Fry them for 30 seconds. Take care not to burn them. We will now add the veggies one by one. Fry the veggies for a minute so that they become soft. Once done, we will add the sweet corn paste and cook the mixture for a minute until the rawness of the sweet corn is gone. We will now add water to our fried veggies. Let it simmer for a minute or two. Add the remaining sweet corn and boil the soup for about 2 minutes. We will now add salt, black pepper powder and vinegar. Now take corn flour in a bowl and add water to make corn flour slurry. This will help in thickening our soup. Our sweet corn soup is now ready. Take out the sweet corn soup in the soup bowl. Garnish the sweet corn soup with some spring onions.